2 years of nights have turned me into a nocturnal animal. It's a big city. I must choose my targets carefully. But they don't know where I am. They think I'm hiding in the shadows. But I am the shadows.